Hi, we're Tom and Jenny. We are lifelong chefs, restaurateurs, and parents of 2 young boys.
We love to travel as a family, seeking out new cultures, exotic destinations, and culinary delights, both near and far.
Please join us on our pilgrimage as we seek out new flavors and unique experiences.
Always remember to taste the journey and savor the adventure.
We set up 4 winery tours this year for our trip to Italy. The first one was Altesino Winery. This impressive property is located in Altesino and is about 45 minutes away from our hotel.
Initially, were people sorting out the grapes from the overly ripe ones to the not ripe enough. Right now, everything is done by machines, which it is much faster and much more reliable, of course. And then, Slavonian origin of Croatia, so Croatian recognized to be one of the most traditional ways and one of the most. We're going to put the bottles inside of the first machine by hand. They're getting washed, turned upside down, washed, filled with wine, and then
This is the barn where grapes are dried for Vin Santo. They hang them up and let them air dry for several months to concentrate the flavors.
First full day in Tuscany, we're at the Altesino Winery. We had a wonderful tour. Got to taste some beautiful wine. Montesino in the background.
That's right.
Right there.
Yeah.
Beautiful Tuscany. Fantastic in November. Kids are enjoying it too.
From Altesino, we drove an hour north to visit the Bindi Sergardi winery.
Sounds like Bailey.
We love touring old properties and seeing wines made with traditional methods.
We also have something very interesting here. We have the concrete tank, and these are
Filippo was a great host, and we'd love to do a wine dinner with him if he ever makes it stateside. We returned to our neighborhood for dinner and went to the Bottle of Chianti restaurant.
This is super cute.
They have an extensive wine list. It's either half liter or full liter of red wine. That's the list.
We have pizza Diavolo,
Got some pasta here,
cacio e
sauce,
pepe,
cheese, pepper.
tomato bruschetta. We have pasta with the duck ragu.
Spaghetti de frutta di mare. Delicious. Phenomenal.
The pasta is nice and thick, al dente, and it's made with a duck ragu. It's perfect.
Also, I put cheese and peppers and stuff.
You good?
Yeah. Delicious.
Is it spicy?
Somewhat.
We ended the night on a sweet note with tiramisu, chocolate lava cake, and espresso. Our third tour was in the Avignonesi winery, which which is about an hour away in Montepulciano. Full disclosure, I'll pet every cat I see.
There's a winery.
We have a couple.
The race of the two owners, Mr. Bindi and his wife Josefina. Because they say that after
Dylan gave us an extensive tour of all the vineyards, as well as all of the cellars and the owner's personal collection. We also saw where their Vinsanto grapes are dried as well as aged in barrels, and it's probably the best I've ever
the
had.
first one happened in the vineyard, where we select the best bunches of grape that are going to become our Vinsanto. The second step is the second selection from those bunches and the drying process. These are made in bamboo mattress, and the grapes need to dry for minimum 4 months. Because during that time, they're going to lose the extra water, became very, very small, and concentrate all the sugar inside, became very dense like that. So after the 4 months of drying, we collect them and we manufacture.
Our kids are pros at coming to wineries while we do tastings. But let me just say how much I appreciate how every winery along the way has accommodated them. Our last tour was at the Tua Rita winery, about 2.5 hours away near Suvareto. We had a few hiccups getting there. Our original route was blocked off, so we were rerouted to this country road. The pavement quickly turned into boulders.
I am actually trying to keep it stable as well. No, it's flying.
Is there a bridge here? The bridge is gone.
No way.
Stop.
After what felt like a 100-point turn to get out of the ravine, and several phone calls later, we made our way there. Tua Rita is a really cool winery that's right along the coast of Italy. It's 5 miles from Elba Island, where Napoleon was exiled, and they even have Petit Verdot vines that were planted by Napoleon after his exile.
The other producers put more sulfides in their wines, and after the people drink the sulfides in their that's the thing.
We tried every single one of these wines. We treated ourselves to Thanksgiving dinner at the hotel restaurant. We had the chef's tasting menu, and believe it or not, it was only €5 more to pair it with wine. I think Braden caved for this meal. We started with Tuscan rosé and ribollita soup. Next was PC pasta with pomodoro, which is native to Tuscany. Next we had a lovely steak with roasted potatoes, mushrooms, paired with a Chianti Classico. Coincidentally, That label was in our restaurant at one point.
How is it, Jenny?
It's very good.
Braised beef with Sauriac puree. Can't talk. Cheese.
For dessert, we had almond biscotti and vinsanto.
I got gelato, truffle, drowned in dark chocolate. Okay,
Does it look good or does it look horrible?
looks amazing.
Cool. Yeah. Brian, what'd you get?
I got gelato truffle drowned in coffee.
Whoa.
It looks really good.
That looks delightful.
Hey, I will.
Enjoy, boys. Hey, get in there.
Giant piece. Pure bliss.
Hey, Brian, how's yours?
Good.
No.
Is it good?
If you like this video and want to see what else we did during our trip to Italy, hit the like button and subscribe below.
Ciao for now.